Recovered a CVA file from old CompuServe data? This contains contact information from the pioneering online service. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these CompuServe address book files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value CVA file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A user encountering a .cva file likely has an old data backup from the CompuServe online service, popular in the 1980s and 90s. Their goal is to extract the contact information, names, email addresses, and import it into a modern address book like Outlook or Google Contacts for data recovery. The .cva file is a legacy, proprietary binary format used by CompuServe's software. It was designed to store contact data in a simple, flat file structure for quick local access on computer systems with limited resources. The format prioritizes compactness over extensibility or cross-platform compatibility. Typically, CVA files can be opened with CompuServe Information Manager created by CompuServe. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows exposes only limited internal information, meaning full interpretation depends on the generating tool. To force the file open, right-click your CVA file and select Open With. If CompuServe Information Manager is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the CVA file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here is a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, migrating to modern address book. Manually transcribe contact information from CVA files to modern address book formats. Open the CVA file in a text editor to view contact data, which is often partially readable. Enter contacts into Microsoft Outlook, Google Contacts, iCloud Contacts, or other modern address management systems for continued use of the contact information. Next, using legacy CompuServe tools. If legacy CompuServe software is available, install the original CompuServe Information Manager or compatible client software. Open the CVA file through the application's address book features. While CompuServe service shut down years ago, the client software can still display archived address book data for historical reference. Finally, converting to vCard. Use scripts or manual extraction to convert CVA contact data to vCard VCF format, which all modern contact applications support. Extract names, email addresses, and notes from the CVA file, then create VCF entries either manually or through custom conversion scripts. Import resulting VCF files into your preferred contact application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagic is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagic.com has the download. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.